Hello, my name is Marie and today we are going to make a cheesecake. Let's revise all required ingredients. Let's go to the supermarket. Don't decide what to buy when you are hungry. If you are not sure about your ability to cook something, make additional preparation. The cooking starts now. First of all, we crumble cookies by our own hands. Then we give up and use blender. Add nutmeg and mix. Add butter and grind the mixture into fine crumbs. Take form for baking and cover its bottom with parchment. Grate the edges of the form with butter. Dump the crumbs into an even layer. Place the base in an oven. Now let's take a break from this excruciating work. Fill a bath and dive headlong. Grind to taste.
10 minutes later.
Remove and cool the base. In meantime, let's create an exclusive cream. Important note: all ingredients for the cream should be at room temperature. Take a bowl, lay out cream cheese, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 2 eggs and sugar. Stir well. Add cream at the very end. And under no circumstances beat it with a mixer. Or mixer will beat you. Put our almost a cake in a preheated oven to bake.
The next morning,
we take out our priceless treasure and cool it down. Serve with tea. You're amazing!
Прекрасно.